Greetings to all. Today I am here to give my testimony for Dili Paathshala. I came to know about them through YouTube. First place, I listened to all her videos uploaded in YouTube. Got interested in the subject and continuously I was asking questions and they would answer them all. This made me realize how serious they were towards their teachings. Further, I took personal consultation which was affordable. While in the conversation, I came to know about hidden facts and truths which were surfaced to me by her. She had been compassionate and non-judgmental throughout. She presented to me complete predictions for coming few months, my weaknesses and remedies which would help me to overcome my fears and strengthen my outlook towards life approaching. Few days later, I consulted her for my children and recommended her to handful of my relatives and friends. Even they are satisfied. Her sweet voice is soothing and gives mental relief. I once again thank Dili Paathshala for being a continuous support. Thanks again.